Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol NAK. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Well, another very eventful day. It all started essentially on Monday. You can see the volume kicked in, well above average. Unfortunately, though, the price has drifted down, and then today got that much more continuation, which is now putting the chart at some very interesting territory as far as levels of support are concerned. So the big level going into Wednesday. And I should note this is not some sort of great discovery on my part or anything like that. I assure you, people that use charts, understand charts, have taken notice of this level and are watching and wondering the same thing. And I bring all that up because when a lot of people are watching and wondering the same thing, call it a self-fulfilling prophecy, call it whatever you want, it can produce some very dynamic price movements. And that is exactly what's going on here with 56 cents. Going back through the history of things, you can see that this level has a good track record of acting as support there. And to just offer up a little bit more context, you can see that this was also a former breakout point. And the other reason why that area is very important is if that level doesn't hold, and I'm not saying it'll even get tested, but if it does get tested and doesn't hold, the next key technical level, not until that former breakout point down there at 51 cents. So there's quite a bit of room for, more continuation if that level does not hold up. But again, to be fair, it's not like the price is even at that level yet. But nonetheless, those are going to be those two key levels of support going forward. As far as areas of resistance, if the price does try to bounce back upwards, nothing fancy here. It's all about the very well-known 50-period moving average, which on my chart is denoted there by that purple line, and the current value of the 50-period sits at 63 cents. So yes, very big pullback right now, and now it's approaching, as I've shown, some of those key levels of support. But still a few days left this week, 3 days left actually, so the week is still relatively young, so still plenty of time to get things turned around, so we'll see what the bulls have in store. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.